In this video, I'll show you how to save and restore a project version. What is a version? A version allows you to save the current project work and restore it anytime as a new project. The project owner may enable or disable versions in the project details and upon creating the project. The default value is set to enabled. You can select a version of the project in the project details by clicking on the version button and restore the new version as a new project. How can you save a version? Click here on the three dots and now select Save Version. Now you can enter the version name and save up to 10 versions per project with the advanced subscription and up to 20 with the enterprise subscription. Now you click on the version button here, and to maximize the preview, hover over the image and click. You can also delete a version of your choice. Therefore, click on the delete button here. To use the versioning, you need an advanced or enterprise subscription. Just try it out.